Hey YouTube, this is Justin, aka Demonic Sweaters, here with another product review, and today I have this GEEKOTO Softbox lighting kit. And lighting is something that's, is pretty difficult for a lot of people, especially for me on YouTube, but I seem to have a problem with lighting. So I wanted to get something that, I've seen a lot of people use these. I already showed a video where I tried the ring light, and that doesn't really work since I'm a glasses wearer, and having a ring light kind of reflects off my glasses. So I figured I'd give the softbox lighting a chance and see what I can do with that. And basically softbox, they're kind of like lights inside of these boxes rather that have like light diffusing capabilities, but I'll show you those here in a second. So let's go ahead and open this up and take a look. Okay, let's see what's in here. I actually haven't opened this yet. Trouble with the zipper there. There we go. Alright, so these are probably the light bulbs. Yeah, that looks like it's a light bulb. It's another light bulb. This sounds like it's a stand. Yeah, it's a stand. This looks like it's probably the box part. Yeah, that's that. How does this even work? Okay. Alright, so I'm going to set these up and then we'll see how it looks with the lights on. Alright, so now I have the lights set up and I actually think they look pretty good. I'm not an expert with using these yet, but like that implies that I will become one, but probably not. But anyway, I have one like basically right here, kind of off to my left and a little bit to the front, and then the other one right over here. And as you can see, there's no reflection on my glasses, which is great. And I still have the background light on, which adds some ambience. I can turn that off so you can see the difference, but it's really not that much different. And overall, I actually really like these. I think they're a much better solution if you are a glasses wearer and a YouTuber and you want to have some lighting. They were really easy to set up. They're kind of big, that's a disadvantage compared to the ring light. A ring light is very simple. It's small and it fits basically right on the tripod. But these are a little bit more extra setup, and if you don't have a lot of space, you probably won't be able to use them. However, for me, I think they're going to be really good, and I think they look much, much better than the ring light did for me because I'm a glasses wearer. I think they're a great deal. They're actually like under $100 or about, I think they were 50 some dollars. If you want to check out my ring light video, there's a link to that down below. And if you want to purchase these lights, there's a link to purchase those down below as well. And just to talk about some future videos I have coming up, I'm going to be traveling to Florida to see my mother here in the next couple of days, and I'm going to be going down there and taking the Canon SL2 with me and be filming some stuff down there, so look forward to that. And hopefully I'll be able to upload this and another video before I go, so you guys will have those to check out as well. So anyway, thanks for watching, and if you haven't subscribed, please do if you want to, and hopefully, this helped you out. See you soon.